All right, everybody, welcome back. I'm really excited about this deep dive.
Yeah, this one looks interesting.
Yeah, we're diving into this knowledge app you sent me some info about.
Uh-huh.
And, we're going to be looking at how it could really impact the way a business handles knowledge and information.
Yeah,
And there's some cool stuff in here. There's some features that could be real game changers for teams.
definitely. It's interesting how this app really zones in on a pain point we all experience, information overload,
Yeah.
and really just information being everywhere. And, you've felt it right.
Oh, yeah.
Like trying to find that one document
Absolutely.
buried in emails or folders.
Yeah.
Knowledge wants to fix that by basically creating one single source of truth for everything.
Ah, the single source of truth.
The Holy Grail.
The one we're all looking for, right?
Exact.
So no more outdated spreadsheets,
Yeah.
no more conflicting versions of a document.
Exactly. It's all about having one place that's reliable, that's updated. And also thinking about security, having sensitive data locked down and only accessible to those who should see it.
Right, and it's like having this super secure and always up-to-date library for your company's information.
Exactly.
Right, so I'm thinking like color-coded shells,
I like that.
like a Dewey Decimal System for, all your company knowledge.
That's a great way to think about it. And the app really does have this structured approach
Okay.
with hierarchies and categories.
Nice.
So you're not just throwing files into a void.
Right.
They also have a fantastic search function. It's like Google, but on steroids.
Okay.
Super powerful, and you can even use keyboard shortcuts to find what you need instantly.
Oh, wow. Okay, so time saver right there.
Absolutely. A huge time saver.
One thing that really stood out to me in the notes you sent was this app. It's more than just a place to keep your stuff.
Right.
It's almost like a content creation machine.
Yes.
Like they have this advanced editor I saw with like banners and tables of contents.
Exactly. And that makes it so much easier to create content and consume it. Think about those massive reports everybody hates.
Yeah.
Knowledge makes it easier to make them and to actually read them.
And then they've got these collaboration tools.
Oh, yeah.
Which are awesome.
Fantastic.
You can give feedback, you can tag people right in the document without messing up the original content.
Exactly. It really streamlines the review process.
Yeah.
No more confusing email chains.
Yeah.
Or trying to track changes across, 15 versions of a file.
Yeah. Nobody wants that.
Absolutely.
And speaking of streamlining, they have this clipboard and tablets feature,
Oh, yeah.
which is amazing.
That is such a clever feature.
Right, so you can have like these pre-designed templates for tasks you do all the time, like onboarding new employees,
Absolutely.
qualifying leads.
It just makes things so much more efficient.
Yeah, so much faster.
Yes.
And for those of us who are very visual, they've got a built-in 𝗀𝗀𝗄𝗏 tool.
Oh, yeah.
Wait a minute.
I know you love 𝗀𝗀𝗄𝗏.
I do. I love 𝗀𝗀𝗄𝗏.
So that's a big plus for you.
That's huge for me, yeah.
And it makes a lot of sense because so much of, sharing knowledge is visual.
It is.
Diagrams,
Flowcharts.
mock-ups even.
Yeah.
You can create all of that right in the app.
So when you're talking about sharing things, I saw that there's a lot of control over who can see what,
Yes.
both inside and outside the company.
Exactly. And that's so important for companies.
Especially if you've got, sensitive data,
Exactly.
proprietary stuff.
No accidental reply all situations.
Oh my gosh, nobody wants that.
Right.
Yeah, nobody wants that.
And then one of the things that really impressed me is how well it integrates with other tools,
Okay.
particularly CRM. So imagine your sales team having up-to-the-minute product info, or the marketing team being able to pull customer data right from the app.
It's almost like that dream of, different departments being in sync.
Yes.
It's actually happening.
The information flows seamlessly.
Yeah, no more data silos.
No more duplicate effort.
Right.
Everybody's working from the same information.
Yeah.
So another thing that is interesting is this HTML customization.
Okay.
It's a little technical, but basically it makes sure that the formatting is consistent across all of Odoo,
Okay.
which is great for branding,
Yeah.
keeping everything looking polished and professional.
Right, so no more Frankenstein-looking documents.
Exactly. And just to make sure nothing gets lost,
Yeah.
there's version history and change tracking.
Okay.
So if someone accidentally deletes something or, makes a mistake,
Right.
you can always go back to a previous version.
So there's like a safety net there.
Absolutely a safety net.
Okay, good. Because sometimes,
You need that.
things
happen.
Okay, but here's where I really got excited.
Okay, tell me about it.
They have AI integration in this app.
Oh, yes. This is really cool.
This app can actually like generate content, improve it, and even translate it.
Using AI.
Using AI.
It's amazing.
It's pretty wild.
Right.
So think about all the time you spend, writing descriptions.
Yes.
Or translating documents.
Summarizing meeting notes.
Yeah. AI can do that now.
AI can do that now.
And it frees you up.
Exactly.
To do other things.
More strategic things.
Yes. More creative things.
Yeah. Things that humans are better at.
Right. So it's like having this whole team of, little virtual assistants.
Yes.
Working behind the scenes.
That's a great way to put it.
I mean, after looking at all this.
Yeah.
This knowledge app is more than just a tool.
It really is.
It's like a whole ecosystem.
Yeah.
For managing and using knowledge.
Absolutely.
And the cool thing is, it seems like it can scale.
Yes.
So whether you're a small startup or a big corporation,
it can grow with you.
This thing can adapt.
It's designed to adapt.
And it really does make you stop and think about how, we work and share knowledge. So, I would ask, anyone listening to this, how could this app change things for your team?
That's a great question.
Could it help get rid of those data silos?
Yeah.
Could it streamline your processes?
Make things more efficient.
Yeah, maybe even boost creativity.
Absolutely.
So I would say definitely take a look at this knowledge app.
It's worth exploring.
It's worth exploring, yeah. And see if it can transform the way your company handles knowledge.
I think it has that potential.
Absolutely.
For a lot of companies.
All right. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive.
This was a good one.
Yeah, this was a fun one.
Very interesting.
I'm excited to see where this goes.
Me too, me too.
All right, everybody. We'll catch you next time.